back to Ninon Live. I'm Ninon, and I've just noticed we have a board in front of us of different people that are kind of calling in and finding out. So I got one person says, "Hi Ninon." Well, hi back to whoever you are, and thank you for tuning in and thank you for being there. You don't know how much I appreciate that. That's amazing. Then I have, who is my guest? Well, my guest is Tim Zimmerman. Tim Zimmerman is actually an author. He's a coach. He's actually been telling me an awful lot of before 6 years old how we are formed and what we do and why we have so many millionaires that as children felt awfully inhibited about never ever being good enough or doing the right thing. So that is absolutely awesome. And then we have another one here that says, okay, we read who he is. He's Tim. Hi, Tim. We're back again. It's an amazing story. When I first came on, he was doing this diagram. I don't think you can see it too well. I'm going to try to cheat it a little bit. But anyway, you're going to explain this diagram, which is sort of you've got a BSJ here. I don't know what all this is.
Basically, how this goes, can you see that okay?
Probably not.
Or
he might be able to get it in.
So
it doesn't matter.
Let me just go through it. Everyone has two situations in their life. One we call the as-is situation. The other is the could be, should be, wanna be. Typically, in corporate training or any kind of business training, any kind of personal training you want to do, you have to figure out where you are now and where you want to be, whether that's in business, finance, weightlifting, marriage, whatever. So what happens is that from the as-is situation, you start your plan of action and start going up the rungs of the ladder, the little yellow brick road to get to where you could be, should be, want to be situation is. The question is, do you get there automatically?
No.
The answer is no. Typically, you run
into
into roadblocks, right?
Of course, we all do.
All of that. So typically, when you hit a roadblock, what happens?
You stop.
You stop, you go back a little bit, then you get more determination, and you keep going. If you have a coach, your coach is supposed to help
push you along and bring you back up again and take you forward.
Because that's what you want to do, right?
Yes.
Well, typically what happens is after the third or fourth speed bump, person, what I call, does the chutes and ladders scenario of the game, and they take the chute down to their BS system. What's the BS?
It's a lot of, well, we know what BS is, and that was a lot of nonsense.
Well, yeah, a lot of people say bullshit, but it's actually your belief system and your judgment. So we were talking about earlier that by age 6, your parents and those people around you at the time implanted your belief system into you. So by age 6, you have your belief systems, and then as you continue to grow and develop and meet people in the outside of that framework, you actually make judgments about yourself and the world and how you fit in the world. Let me just interrupt this 1 second.
Is it okay to make judgments about yourself, good, bad, right or wrong, whatever they may be? You can judge yourself, can't you?
Well, you do.
Yeah, but we do, but we don't admit it. We don't really truly judge ourselves and say we are really not good at this. We pretend. We do a lot of pretending.
And the reason why is because the inner judgment people have would be that they're not good enough, they're not smart enough, they're not beautiful enough, slim enough, whatever enough, or they have abandonment issues, or they have anger, fear, anxiety, worry has been placed on them, they have shame, they have traumas from their childhood that they haven't gotten over, and they bury those, and anytime you bury those types of feelings,
they're going to come up again.
Yeah, you bury them alive, and they stay alive, and they come up, and people, go through, 3 or 4 marriages or boyfriends, girlfriends, whatever. And
a number of things out there. We could think of hundreds of them. There's a lot of people calling in. It says, can I call in on you? No, I can't call you. And then it says, Tim, I want to be coached to be rich.
Okay.
Can you do that?
Yeah, call me.
Call him. What's the number? 702?
No, it's actually 928-486-5851. Wait until we're off the show. And I do free consulting to see if I can help you, what you're looking for, and then help you with it. The main thing about this, the interesting thing is I've been in the positive mental attitude arena for nearly 40 years. I sold and taught Dale Carnegie courses. I was trained to teach all 5 of the Dale Carnegie courses.
Oh, wow.
I've gone through every training program that's available. Jim Rohn, Bob Proctor, Tony Robbins, Zig Ziglar.
You name it, he's done it. I'm telling you.
I've done all of
wonderful.
that. Plus, I've gone to India and Egypt. I've studied advanced Raja Yoga, been through 5 Tibetan empowerments, 2 with the Dalai Lama.
Hey, hang on one second. Can I follow you? I'm going to follow this guy.
Well,
this
actually,
is all exciting.
what I train people to do is to follow themselves, because they are their own master.
You're right.
So
You're right.
once the interesting part about this is that some people ask, why does the law of attraction not work for me? Or I can't think
That's
positive.
because you're not allowing it.
Well, actually, it's because your belief system and negative self-judgments are holding you back from
That's
that.
right. So you're not allowing your system to come out and be free.
Right, but you can't.
Can't do that.
No one before, as far as I know, if there's someone out there, please contact me and let me know. But even those trainers that say that they work with the subconscious, unconscious, really don't do this in this way. I call it your base programming system in your computer. If your D drive, your operating system, is corrupted, it doesn't matter how much positive mental attitude or positive programs you put into the computer, you're still going to get corrupted information. Well, that's what happens with inside yourself. And before now, and this protocol that I developed just got developed over the last year or so.
Wow.
Until now, we never knew how to actually go back into the unconscious, subconscious from the experiences of age 6 or 7 or 12 or whenever it was that you made a particular judgment.
But I don't think most people knew that you could do that. I don't think people realize that that is where it starts, and they don't want to go back there because they say, well, I was only 6, so it couldn't be anything.
Right. Well,
That's
because it's in their unconscious, subconscious.
That's right. Yeah.
Okay. And then the other thing I realized is that who programmed our unconscious, subconscious?
Well, yourself.
Our parents.
Oh, the parents program.
Parents,
that's right. You're right. The parents
and
program.
then who programmed them?
Whomever. Their parents.
Their parents, but how old were they when they were programmed?
There's 20 or 30 years between every child, I always put in there. And then we've got grandmothers and grandparents.
Right, but they were all programmed by age 6.
Yes. So you're going from 6 to
so
25,
from
30.
Now, yeah, but from each individual person now, all the way back to Adam and Eve or to Noah, whichever you believe, each person was programmed by age 6.
Wow.
So the whole world is running on a 6-year-old program.
We've got problems out there, let me tell you.
Trump
thinks he can solve all our problems. I don't think so. I'm going to vote for Tim Zimmerman. But I just want to interrupt a little bit here. I've got a lot of people up here that really want to get in touch with this guy. He is absolutely brilliant. He really does know what he's talking about. And he really makes a lot of sense to us. Well, to me he does. So I hope for all of you out there the same thing. You can reach Tim Zimmerman at 928-486 5851. I want to make sure you get that. A couple of people up here want the number, so that's the number. You can call him. You can also go to his website. You have a website?
Yes, it's sm3success.com.
Anything else? Email you? Phone
email,
you? Give the phone number?
Email is my name, Tim, with my middle initial E, Zimmerman, @gmail.com.
Okay, so that's wonderful. I think what you've brought out here is sort of, I think if we keep letting people understand and people know that this really does start the time you're 6, you've got it all embedded in you. And I think a lot of you out there, they need to go back there, not be afraid. How do they not be afraid?
Well, part of the protocol is to work to overcome worry, fear, anxiety, hopelessness, helplessness, any abandonment issues, any traumas, even post-traumatic stress syndrome that some of the vets will overcome it. People who drink and drug, why do they drink and drug? Well, it's to overcome their inner feeling of what? Of not being good enough. Or something is bothering them that is stuck in their subconscious, unconscious.
So don't be afraid to go there.
Well, it's not just talking about it. As a matter of fact, you can not tell me what it is, and we can overcome it. It's kind of
how cool is that?
Interesting.
That is very interesting. That's amazing. Absolutely.
And I've had clients that have done that.
Absolutely. Well, we've got to say goodbye to Tim Zimmerman. He's been absolutely amazing. We have another guest. We've got actually a lawyer company coming in from Las Vegas. So we're going to find out what they're up. They do bankruptcy lawyer. They do all sorts of different law. Well, we're going to find out. I'm not going to talk about it. They are going to talk about it. We'll be right back.